Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy electricity from Access Bank app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Access Bank mobile application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you find the Access Bank app? You can get that on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Once you launch any of those applications, go ahead and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Access Bank mobile app and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing, the application is going to take you right into this sign-up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using your existing Access Bank credentials or to register by opening a new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into the Access Bank homepage where you can explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Access Bank. So once you get there, this is exactly the steps that you can take to buy electricity from Access Bank. In the home page, you're going to see the menu icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on menu, and it's going to take you to the menu window where you're going to see a couple of options displayed. Go ahead and click on bill payment. Once you click on bill payment, it's going to take you to another window where you're going to see a couple more options. Go ahead and click on utility. So after selecting utility, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to see a display of state electricity codes. Go ahead and select the electricity code that is aligned with your state, the state you're in. Go ahead and click on that state, and after clicking on the state electricity code, you're going to see an option at the bottom that says product, for you to select the product of the electricity bill. That's prepaid or postpaid. Now, this is dependent on the one that you use. So select either prepaid or postpaid. And after doing that, it's going to take you to another window where you're going to be asked to enter the amount. After entering the amount, enter the meter number. And after entering the meter number, fill out the other blank spaces that are there and go ahead and click on the pay button. Now, once you click on pay button, that's pretty much it. You'll be able to buy your electricity from Access Bank. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.